Good evening, guys. Good evening. Hello, hello.
Good evening.
Good evening. Cameras on. Guys, wake up. Cameras on. Let's start with the prayer. Sonia, Pragya, Mubaraka, Prativa, Divya. Cameras on. Sit in a comfortable cross-leg position. Press sitting bones down. Lengthen the spine. Close your eyes. Inhale, reach the arms up, join the hands in prayer. Exhale, prayer towards the heart center. Connect the thumbs to the beating of your heart and take this moment to bring the attention inwards towards your breath. Observe your physical body. Observe your thoughts. Observe your emotional state. And observe your energetic field. Take this moment and set an intention for your practice. Let's start with one Om. Inhale. Om. Exhale, release the hands. Open your eyes. Sit in a kneeling position together. Sit on top of your heels. Sit on top of your heels and start rolling the shoulders. Big circles. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shoulders up to the ears. Inhale. Exhale down. Inhale 2, आराम से. Exhale down. Inhale 3. Exhale down. Inhale 4. Exhale down. Inhale 5. Exhale down. You're going to extend the arms to the sides, bend the elbows, fingers together. A 90-degree angle from the fingers to the elbow to the shoulder. And now we will go 1 down, center, 2, center, 3, center, 4, center, 5, center, 6, center, 7, center, 8, center, 9, center, 10, and center. Both arms 5 times. 1, imagine there's some resistance in the air is thick. Center. 2, center. 3, center. 4, center. 5, hold it down. 10, 9, shoulders away from the ears. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. And now we will extend the arms towards the side. In line with the shoulders. And we'll do external rotation, internal rotation. External, internal. Yes? 10, 9. From the shoulder to the fingers, one line. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release, shake a little with your arms. And now we will go alternate. One internal, one external. Yes? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, continuing now with burn. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Shake. Good. Now you're going to take sitting position. Extend the arm to the side without lifting the opposite hip. Arm extend overhead, palm facing down, option 1. Option 2, forearm down and we hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, shoulder to ear, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Through the center, inhale. Exhale on the side with the arm extended or forearm down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, right side everyone. Press forearms, press sitting bones down and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. To the left, one last. Exhale, press and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come to center. Release. Super. Tabletop position. Arms straight under the shoulders, knees under the hips. Tuck toes under. Cat and cow. Inhale, press the hands down. Arms look forward. Exhale, pelvis in, navel in, chin in. Inhale, 2. Exhale, round. Inhale, 3. Exhale, round. Inhale, 4. Exhale, round. Inhale, 5. Exhale, round. Inhale, 6. Exhale, round. Inhale, 7. Exhale, round. Inhale, 8. Exhale, round. Inhale, 9. Exhale, round. Inhale, 10. Open and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, press and round. Navel in, chin in. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back to center. Now only hip circle. Yes? Where hips are in pelvis circles. Press the hands. Only circle. 10, 9, 8. Only circle in the pelvis. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse the side. 10, 9. Only pelvis. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Now we will do thoracic circle. So, like cat and cow, but sideways. Yes, watch from here. we are going sideways. Yes? From the distance. Yes? Sideways. I try not to bend the elbows. I want to press the hands. Cut. Open. Cut. Open. Yes? If I can without the straight arms, I can bend the elbows a little bit. Yes? Like a fluid movement. 10. 9. 8. Big circles. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Opposite direction. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Super. Now you will extend the arms forward to the top of the mat. Keep the pelvis on top of the knees. Tuck the toes under. Inhale. Open pelvis. Try to bring the chest down. If the chest is not touching, try the chin, or try the nose, or try the forehead. Yes? We open and we hold. Actively pressing hands down. Stay Mubaraka camera on. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, press, round up. Now, watch me, guys. We will take the blocks to the front of the mat. Second setting. Oopsie. Second setting, shoulder distance apart. Like we did now on the floor. Press hands on top. Open and hold here. If the chest is touching, keep pressing the hands, chin forward. If the chest is not touching, we try for the chin. Otherwise, nose or forehead. But I keep pressing actively with the hands. Yes? The stretch comes in the shoulders, then thoracic. 1 minute hold. Short inhale, long exhale through the nose. Ready? And we start. Second setting of the blocks, guys. Half the class is with the wrong setting of the blocks. Second setting, guys. Sonia, Divya, second setting of the blocks. Lila also. Divya, second setting of the blocks. That's the low setting. Second, no, that's high setting. Second setting, second setting. Ah, that's the second setting. They're so tiny. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sorry, Divya, they look low setting from here. They are tiny blocks. Super. Now, watch me, guys. We will thread the needle Inhale, lift, stretch through, shoulder down. Keep the pelvis where it is. Open 1. Exhale 2. 5 reps. I press the shoulder down and I open. I try to keep the pelvis centered without this happening. At the center, twisting. Yes? We need to liberate a little bit thoracic. Opening shoulders for this, flip the grip. Let's go. Inhale, lift the arm up, press the other hand against the mat, stretch through, exhale. Guys, everyone together. And let's go. Exhale, open 1. Exhale 2. Press the shoulder to the floor, hips square. 3. 4. 5. 6. And open, hold. Hold, hold, hold. The 6 is for the hold. Try to look up or look towards the fingertips if it's opening a lot. Try to keep the square hips. And we hold. Stay with the breath, guys. Try to keep twisting from the belly button. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release. Other side. Tabletop position. Press the hands down. Inhale. Reach the right arm up. Exhale, stretch through. Shoulder down. And we open. Exhale 1. Exhale 2. Exhale 3. Exhale 4. Exhale 5. 1 more and we hold. Hold it open. Did you find?
Yeah.
Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly, slowly calm down. Back to tabletop. Now, we will take the chair. We take the chair. Elbows at the edge. Shoulder distance. Yes, now we want to keep one hand down, one elbow. Yes? The elbow is in line with the shoulder. The hand will go to touch or as close as possible. Now I will lean back, head under. Yes, now the other hand will be soft. Yes, I will engage the core, press the elbow against the chest. This is intense exercise on the shoulder. Yes, so we take with care. The other hand, I can release, but I will not try to release on the first moment. I test and see. Yes, I open, 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 open. Exhale, round. I help with the hand. I have to feel the exercise of putting the shoulder. I'm helping with the hand. Option 1. Option 2, you go fingertips on the other hand. Open. Exhale. Option 3, the hand behind. Open. Exhale. Yes? I show you from this side. There's head under, the hand towards the shoulder as much as possible. This hand is helping me find the balance. Exhale. Yes? Inhale, open like a position. Exhale. If this is easy, I go fingertips Otherwise, I go without hand. Yeah? Cat and cow movements, guys. Alignment before we start. The elbow has to be in line with the shoulder and the pelvis. We cannot be here or too far. Yeah? Let's try. One elbow, the hand on top of the shoulder. Press the elbow actively. Let's go. Inhale 1. Exhale round. Inhale 2. Exhale round. Inhale 3. Exhale round. Inhale 4. Exhale round. Inhale 5 and we hold 15 seconds only. Keep pressing the elbow against the chair. Core engage, active arch. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale up and release. Other side. Other side. Opposite elbow, same exercise, 5, dynamic, 1 time, hold 15 seconds. Press, adjust, inhale, open. Exhale, round. Inhale, 2. Exhale, round. Inhale, 3. Exhale, round. Inhale, 4. Exhale, round. Inhale, 5. Open arch. And we hold 15 seconds. Last 3, 2, 1. Exhale, round coming up. Release the chair. Good. Now we will take the yoga belt. Where is mine? We will take the yoga belt and come to standing position. Now, we will fold first in half, then other half. Yes, till you find shoulder distance. Yes? Now, shoulder distance is this. Everyone to their shoulder distance, not this. Yes, is the straight line, like this. Okay? Now, I will press the feet, hip distance, heels under the hips, feet pressing to the floor, like the roots of the tree going deep, deep down, gripping with the toes. Inhale up shoulder to ear, and now without moving the hip too much, I will exhale to the side, without doing this. Yes? Now, I try to go here, maybe here, maybe here. Then I press the feet, inhale, and I come center. I keep lifting shoulders to ears. Exhale, other side. Yes? We don't want to do this or this. Yes? You need to be able to breathe, guys. Okay, so I don't go here and I'm here holding the breath forever and ever. I lift inhale, short inhale, like a sip of water. Short inhale, long exhale. You can exhale through the mouth or ideally through the nose. Yes, we will go one side, center, other side, center. Total 10 reps. Then we will rest and we will do holds each side. Yeah? Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Inhale, lift shoulders to the ears. Press feet down, lock the knees. Exhale, right. Inhale, lift. Exhale, 2. Inhale, lift. Exhale, 3. Inhale, lift. Exhale, 4. Inhale, lift. Exhale, 5. Halfway. Inhale, lift. Exhale, 6. Inhale, lift. Exhale, 7. Inhale, lift. Exhale, 8. Inhale, lift. Exhale, 9. Inhale, lift. Exhale, 10. Inhale, lift up and release. Shoulder rotation. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now for the hold. You will go same. Exhale, one side. Now we will hold here. I don't want to go my maximum because I'm holding 20 seconds will feel long. So I go 80% here. As I hold, I can go deeper and deeper and deeper. Yeah? 20 seconds. Remember, guys, the breath has to flow. We cannot hold the breath and the pose. Only the pose. Yeah? Let's go. Prepare. Root down the feet, press down. Grow tall, inhale. Exhale towards the right, everyone. Time is on. Super, guys. Push the arms away from you as if someone's pulling from the belt. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Press feet down, inhale. Shoulders to ears. Control. Exhale, side on the left. Without closing the chest. Side stretch, guys. Keep pressing feet down. Super. Rajni, you're moving the hip. Hips to center. Hips to center. Your right hip is moving. Yes. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly inhale. Coming up. Very good, guys. Watch me. Now we will keep the belt. We will keep the belt from the arm to half chest. Feet hip distance. Inhale, shoulders up. Exhale all the way down. From down, inhale. Exhale down. Yes? Now if this feels too easy, you will go one step inside. Same. If it feels undoable, I need to bend the elbows to go down. Then you will go more distance. Yes, so first round, everyone testing. If it feels challenging but doable, that's your spot. Yeah? First round to test. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Exhale back. Rajni, this looks too easy. Go shorter. Inhale. Exhale 2. Rajni, listen please. You are going too fast. This is too easy. Needs to feel challenging. Go shorter on the belt. You will feel the stretch. We need to feel something, guys. If it feels too easy, what work we are doing? Nothing. Let's go. 3. Press feet down. We keep growing tall. 4. Super. Lifting shoulders every time we go up. Squeezing scapula to go down. 5. 6. 7. And 8. Good. Now, watch me. I'll show you from this. Yes, we need to watch at my arms at the back. So, I will keep the belt, yes, just in case. I will open the arms to the side. Internal rotation. Sorry, the belt on the upper side, yeah, on the upper arm. Internal rotation. I try to bring the hands closer together. Elbow on the upper arm behind my head. And the other one in the mid spine. I try to walk together. If I can, I touch fingertips. And I hold. Yes? Everyone on the sitting position, knees together on the floor. Sit on top of your heels. Knees together, sit on top of the heels. Guys, show me from behind so I can correct. Flip, show me from, not from the side, from behind so I can see where the elbows are. Now remember, it's an internal rotation. Yes? Try with the belt if you are not sure you can catch. Elbow on the bottom arm coming inside. Use the belt. Sonia, don't be stubborn. Use the belt. You need the belt. Belt, belt, belt. Super. 10. Spine, chest open. 9. Look forward. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. Yes, Pratibha. 3. 2. 1. See, Sonia, much better. Slowly open. And we go other side. Now it can happen one side is a bit close, a bit stubborn, and the other side goes smooth. Yeah? So adjust accordingly. Maybe you need the bell, maybe you don't need the bell. Adjust accordingly. Let's try. Ready? Internal rotation. Try to catch belt, fingertips, eyes forward. Upper elbow behind your head. Shoulder up to the ear. Other elbow to the mid spine. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly, slowly coming up. Now watch me. To help with the lower elbow. Yes? I'll show you. You will see the scapula now. So what's happening sometimes is that the lower elbow goes like this to the side. Yes, we need this to come together. So we will bring the other hand under and try to press. I need to rotate the shoulder back, catch, and try to come up. Yeah? And then I have more space. Yes? This is not a one-day thing, but it helps. So now on round 2, you try this trick. Yeah? Let's go. From behind so I can see. Guys, Mubaraka, you are not listening? I just said please use this trick I just showed. Where were you? Yes, yes, Pragya, but look forward, look forward. Yes, try to squeeze the scapula together, rotate the shoulders back. Super. Last 5. Very good, guys. 4. Divya, keep trying, keep trying. Squeeze scapula together. 3, 2, 1. Much better this second round. Other side. Guys, we need to rotate the shoulders back. Rotate the shoulders back, elbow in. It's tricky. Yes, Sonia, you have a question? Huh. Second side, guys. Eyes forward. Don't look down because then your scapula starts to separate. Spine tall. Try to catch the opposite elbow from behind. And then once you have it at a good spot, internal rotation of the upper arm and try to catch fingers. Yes, Sonia, super, super, super. Continue. Very good. Divya, try, try, try. Upper arm then. Internal rotation, upper arm. Yes, Pragya. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly, slowly. Release. Super. Now, we will go to pigeon pose. Keep the bed and blocks nearby. Now, options for your pigeon. Option 1, 45 degrees and sitting bones reaching down. Best case scenario. If the glute is lifting a little bit, I will place a blanket or a pillow. And if it's lifting a lot, no issues, I will place the block. Now I will keep the weight at the center. Not too much on the block, not too much on the other side. Center. Yes, between the legs. That's my center. First, we hold here. Yes, if we can tuck toes under, extend the back leg. Press the pelvis down. Fingertips can be on the floor or arms up. Semi-palm touching down. Tuck toes under, lift the knee. Guys, the knee is not on the mat. If I can, I lift. You see? And then I come up. Yeah? 1 minute hold. You can keep the fingertips on the floor. You can keep the hands on front thigh. You can keep the arms up, whatever you want. But keep the hips squared forward. We start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is on. Square the hips. Weight at the center. Yes. Full focus. Press the pelvis down. And arms up if I can. Anuja, try arms up. Yes. Malika, try arms up. Look forward. Divya, super. Yes, Sonia. Rajni, super, super. Yes, Kingam. Pratibha, yes. Mubarak, I can't see your legs. Pragya, yes, yes, yes. Release. Core engage. Pelvis down. Last 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Super. Other side. Second leg, adjust accordingly. Square the hips, eyes forward, time is on. Arms up if you can. See how is this side? Pressing pelvis down. Tuck toes under on the back leg. Internal rotation back leg. Knee away from the floor if I can. Super, guys. Stay, stay, stay. Eyes forward, Mubarak, eyes forward. Find the balance. Super. Last 20 seconds. Last. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Now, we will flip the grip with the belt. Pigeon flip the grip with the belt. So we need the hook. Yes? Let me see, guys, if I can bring you forward. So. Now, I'll show you from this side. Yes? Internal rotation, back leg. Again, if I need the block on the opposite glute, I will place it. Weight at the center. I will bend the back knee, hook the ankle, and tight it. Oops, not so close. Yeah, leave a little bit of gap. Now, I square the hips, rotate inside. External rotation of the arm. Out. I catch from the hook. Bring the elbow in and try to flip. Point the toes and hold. Yes? 1, flip, down. I'm bringing elbow in, flipping and lifting the shoulder up. If this is difficult, you will catch the belt as close to the hook as possible. I don't want to see this. The leg is going everywhere, this is going everywhere. No. With control, guys. In, I try. I can. Okay, I leave a little bit more space. You see, it's a teeny tiny until I find my right measurement. Yes? But we cannot try to walk backwards from here. It doesn't work like this. Yeah? From the hook or as close as possible. We test, no. We test, no. We test, yes, pull. And then we go 5 reps. Pull in, up, down. Pull in, up, down. The chest moves forward. Yeah? If this is easy, you will catch the foot. External rotation, thumb on the inside. Fingers on the outside. Pull in, flip, down. In, flip, down. Yes? 5 reps, any of the variations. You only pick this one with the foot if with the hook is going smooth. Yeah? Otherwise, with the belt. Let's go, guys. I'm watching. Mubaraka, one arm. We go 5 reps. Please stick to the class. We are going up and down, Mubaraka. Up and down. 5 reps. Slowly. Pratibha? Internal rotation of the back leg before you bend. Internal rotation, back leg. Yes. Now bend and try to catch. Guys, don't hold it up yet. 5 reps. I go up on the exhale and down. Eyes forward. I try to keep shoulders, pelvis square forward. Yes, dynamic, guys. 5 reps. Internal rotation, back leg. Anuja, a little bit more internal rotation. Yes, continue guys, 5 reps only. When you finish one leg, go other leg. Malika, yes, very good. Rajni, super. Anuja, yes, flip. Super. Vijaya, yes. Leela, yes, but dynamic. 5 reps, Leela, 5 reps. We will hold later, guys. Yes, Sonia. We are not holding, Sonia. Keep the hook at the ankle. If you keep it on the toes, sometimes it goes out. Careful with that. Now, those who finish one side, other side. Yes, Pragya, super. Divya, only one arm. Dynamic, don't try to hold both. Please, guys, stick to the class. Rajni, same. We will hold later, I promise. Stick to the class. I repeat, stick to the class. Listen to the teacher. Guys. Very naughty class today, yeah? What's going on? We are letting the inner child out. Stick to the class, please. We will hold, I promise. You have my word. We were going to hold any which ways, but first we need to train this flip the grip. It's not only passive holds. We need to train the range. Yeah? Makes sense, no? Other side, those who haven't done second side. Those who have finished, patiently wait. Yes, Anuja, good. Malika, yes. Kengam, super. Vijaya, square the shoulders. Shoulders forward, core engage, chest forward. Yes, Lila. Sonia, yes. Flip. Exhale, shoulder up, exhale. Is your shoulder up? Ah, it's up, sorry. Couldn't see. Yes, Rajni. Divya, yeah?
Ma'am, other side cramps.
Cramp.
So much.
Where?
So
Lower back. Here, in the glutes. Ah. It's not an easy pose, huh? Sometimes we feel the cramps because we are sometimes squeezing the glute too much. Sometimes the glute is tight. Yes?
I'm doing this first time.
First time. Super.
The flip,
Very good,
my
Divya.
hand flip first time.
Very good, Divya. That's good progress, no? Super. You need to be very happy. Yeah?
Thank
Nice. Now, Divya, stretch a little bit, yes? Now, guys, we will flip with the belt, without the belt. I suggest, as in for now, everyone takes the belt. My suggestion, yes? Now, single arm. I repeat, single arm, okay? The same hand that you had. Do it like same arm, same leg that you did in the beginning. Yes? You hook, flip, and hold. Yes, don't release the other hand. Stay here. Now we want to focus on the expansion because sometimes we're collapsing to the side, collapsing back. So I need the chest forward. I want to think of both shoulders facing forward. Hips. It's like I have 4 eyes. The shoulders and the hips. And now I'm using the chest to pull forward. The leg to pull back. Otherwise it starts coming in the lower back. Pelvis pushing down. It's a complex pose, yes? You hold it here. If there's anyone, maybe later in the recording, doing with the hand, same, pull a little bit back, look forward and hold. 1 arm now. Yes? Let's go. 20-second hold. We go together, guys. Prepare everything on the first side that you did. Mubaraka, this is not how I was saying to enter. Please pay attention. The whole class like this. Like a good quality of us as a student is to pay attention that what the teacher is saying. If we don't understand, ask 1,000 times. I will respond 1,000 times. But if I'm saying ABC and we are doing FD, whatever, what is the point of coming to class if you're not gonna listen? I'm serious on this. It's been happening a lot. Not everyone, but Seriously, this is very difficult to lead the class like this because you are doing something else. Mubaraka, it can be Mubaraka, it can be someone else. You are doing something else, and as a teacher, I have to be pending on whatever you're doing because I have to guide you. But then I have the rest of class who is doing exactly what I'm teaching. So where my attention is going to, thousand things, right? And I need to keep everyone safe. And we start doing random things in the class. Yeah, and then the injuries come and the things come, right? We need to be, first of all, a bit mindful with our own bodies. We cannot just go like this to the poses. If I'm explaining a technique, it's because it's safe for you guys. It's because it's the easy, good way to enter a pose. Flip the grip. It's tough on the shoulder. The shoulder joint is a difficult, complex joint, and we cannot play with it like it's a ping pong ball. We need to take care of it. But if we start doing things like this, it doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make you achieve any pose any faster.
Yeah, show me once again, Patty. I was the kitchen. I went to the kitchen for some works.
Can't
Show
understand.
me once again. No, you show me the pose, how to get in the pose once again.
Mubaraka, I just showed for the second time now, third time, fourth time. Everyone else is listening. For today, I won't explain again because everyone else is paying attention. You've been distracted half the class. I don't know what's going on and I'm not judging, but I cannot stop the class because of this every now and then. I need you to be attentive. This is your 1 hour for yourself, Mubaraka. You need to take it seriously. Please. I know we have a million things. I really know. And I don't want to be harsh. But we can't be distracted during our practice. This is our time, guys. Sometimes we only have 1 hour a day. And so does everyone. Yeah? Let's go, guys. Focus fully. Yes? Flip the grip. We are trying to hold 20 seconds. If I feel I can't breathe, if I feel it's too much, I slowly go out, yeah? We try to breathe one step at a time. Let's go. Super, guys. Point the toes. Double force. Expand chest forward, kick back. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly coming down. Very good. Other side. Guys, consider other side. If it feels more tough, more easy, adjust accordingly. Don't try to copy paste from the other side because sometimes there's massive difference. Yeah? Usually non-dominant side will be a bit more tough. So adjust accordingly. Divya, first internal rotation of the back leg and then pull it closer towards you. Super. Let's go, guys, for the hold. Super. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly coming down. Very good. Shoulder rotations. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, you will take a seat. Bring the soles of the feet together in a diamond shape. Interlace the fingers at the top. Inhale. toes, lean forward. Try to reach forehead to the toes. If it doesn't reach, you can place 1 or 2 blocks, yeah, just to relax the lower back, yeah, just to decompress. The toes away from you guys, like in a diamond shape, yeah, away, away from you, away, yes, super. Now relax, deep breaths. Lila, if you want, you can place a block from the forehead to the toe so you can fully relax. If you need to lean forward, you can put second level maybe. Last 20 seconds. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly, slowly. Coming up. Take a comfortable cross-leg position. Press sitting bones down. Lengthen the spine. Close your eyes. Inhale, reach the arms up, join the hands in prayer. Exhale, bring the prayer towards the heart center. Connect the thumbs to the beating of your heart. And take this moment to feel the heart beating for you, keeping you alive. Appreciate the fact that you're alive, that you're living this life through a human experience, and the uniqueness that it comes with it. Take also this moment to thank yourself for showing up today with love and compassion towards yourself, towards your body, and in devotion to your practice. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Let's finish chanting 1 Om and 3 Shantis together. Inhale. Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Wrap the palms, bring all the energy towards the palms of the hands. Place them to cover your eyes. Blink the eyes open. Allow the light to enter your voice through your eyes. Slide the palms on your face. Throw a beautiful smile. Namaste. Thank you so much, guys. I hope
Thank you so much, ma'am. Patty ma'am, thank you so much. For the very first time, I unlocked this pose. Thank you so
amazing.
much. Thank you so much.
Also, Divya unlocked today. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Fruits collection.
Thank you, ma'am.
Collection. Yeah, all the efforts are paying off. All the dedication is paying off. Yes, Kengam?
Ma'am, I used to
With you,
do
I-
this pose now, but these days,
Yes, Kengam?
yeah, I used to do this pose, but these days I cannot do because in between I trained like boxing classes now, so this muscle get so like tight.
Yes,
So
the thing is when we train a lot of strength, we need to keep training mobility and flexibility. Ideally, we want all. The thing is, sometimes we go to the gym, we train strength, and then we forget to stretch, we forget mobility of the shoulders, and then they become tight. Nothing moves. You see those men like this, nothing moves, right?
yeah.
So we need to keep training the mobility because when it gets stuck, oh my God, to unstuck it, it requires more effort than the effort you put to get it strong. So don't stop your mobility. Keep mobility, spine mobility as well. Yeah? Super. Very happy. Did it happen for you today, Kengam? Because it was easy, no? I saw you.
It was not that
It looked
easy.
comfortable.
Like, yeah, it looked easy, but it was not that easy. No, this part, the shoulder part, the muscles is it's happening something. It's like turning and all. Like means I can feel the muscles now. Yeah, it's not moving smoothly.
These shoulder rotations, they are so simple every day. Guys, this is everyday job. Everyday job. A non-negotiable. Sitting down anytime. You're at the desk working, you are somewhere, you can do this. Forward as well. Yeah, we spend all days like this on the laptop. But we need to move. They need to be free. Otherwise, it feels we are carrying like a heavy load all day. Oh my God. And then the neck starts to hurt, and then we are like a robot. Yeah? We need to keep everything moving, guys, all the joints. Pratima is saying I'm cute.
Yes, you
I
are so
explain in
cute.
a funny way, guys, so it sticks to everyone. Yeah. It's easy ways to remember all of these things. But the mobility, guys, basic mobility is non-negotiable because now we, in general, live very sedentary lives. Even if we are moving 1 or 2 hours a day, most of us, we have office jobs. So every day sitting. Before it used to be something else. We need to walk to get things. Now it's all more automatic, technologic, whatever, but we need the mobility because this is what keeps us living nice and long and healthy. Yeah? Health issue starts when we don't move, not when we move. Yeah? We need to keep things moving. Hydration, good food, good sleep as much as we can, and movement. Doesn't need to be intense, but has to be a constant in life. Yeah? Super, guys? Done for today. Those who came for 3 classes with me, God knows if you did more. Wow. Rest. Lila?
आंटी मैम
Yes.
मेरा जैसे वन साइड से तो ये कैच हो जाता है बट अदर साइड से मैं नहीं कर पाती
Which is your dominant side? Left or right?
I can't understand your English, so please.
I can understand your Hindi, but I cannot reply in Hindi yet.
आप लेफ्टी हो ना राइटी हो पूछ रही है मैम.
मैं राइट हूँ, राइटी हूँ.
Right is your dominant.
This is my right hand. I catch my hands, but I can't this side.
Sometimes it happens one side. For me was the left side. It's more tough. Yeah, we all have one side. So this only requires us more mobility. It's we cannot do anything. We have tiny imbalances in the body. We can't do anything but train more and more.
मैं 5 साल से प्रैक्टिस कर रही हूँ बट मेरा ये हैंड खुलता ही नहीं हो, मतलब पीछे ही नहीं आता और पेन बहुत ज्यादा होता अगर मैं खींचने की कोशिश करती हूँ.
5 years training. This is what she's saying.
Yes.
Yes.
5 years training and still happening.
Ah,
But what did you train? Yoga or something else?
yoga, aerobic, both.
Did you train mobility? Because I don't want to discredit any teacher, but because teachers now they come like this, I don't know. Sometimes they train more mobility, less mobility, only flexibility, only this, only that. So I have no sometimes training 5 years doesn't mean training good or training with the right technique. Like this, we need to understand. I don't have all the good techniques. I'm saying I don't have the ultimate technique for everything. Obviously, I'm a teacher and I'm a human before everything. But we need to understand what things work for us. And if we are practicing something over and over, being with me or with someone else, you need to ask if nothing is getting progress over a long period of time. You need to ask your teacher, look, this is happening. Watch me closely. Maybe something is going on. Yeah?
मैंने मतलब
Something wrong. Make
टीचर
sense.
प्रॉब्लम्स टीचर की प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. टीचर ने तो बहुत फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी कर दी मेरी बॉडी में. मैं बहुत ज्यादा स्टिफ थी 5 years बिफोर बट मेरा ये हैंड पता नहीं शायद बचपन में कोई प्रॉब्लम थी या चोट लगा हुआ है. बैक साइड नहीं जाता, मेरा ओपन नहीं हो रहा है. मतलब मैं डेली प्रैक्टिस तो बहुत करती हूँ बट फिर भी मेरे को समझ में नहीं आता ये हैंड क्यों नहीं बैक साइड ऐसे ही जा पाता.
This is your scapula. Your scapula looks stuck. It's not moving. The elevation and depression of the scapula is not happening in this side. Then the how do you call inside and outside? We need this, the scapula to touch. Yes, you can practice this exercise and close. Yes. to start bringing more mobility into the scapula.
I
Rotation
will try.
up and down. Yes, with the arm up and down.
मैम
So
सब
this
कुछ किया।
up and down, close
all
and
सब कुछ।
rotation. But daily, guys, this has to be a daily practice. And then we have to watch, what are we doing daily? Am I carrying my bag all the time, heavy in the same side? Am I sleeping all the time in the same side? It all contributes to some little imbalances. Guys, we are human. Little imbalances happen. Yes, we need to try to, if I'm carrying always on the one side, I go on the other side and so on. Otherwise, sometimes we finish like this.
तो मैं कुछ भी ऐसा मार्क नहीं करती कि मुझे वन साइड मतलब कैरी करना है। मैं हाउसवाइफ हूँ, अदरवाइज फिटनेस कोच हूँ, तो वेट लॉस वाला प्रोग्राम चलाती हूँ। बट मेरा ये हैंड मतलब मूवमेंट कम है या क्या पता नहीं, मुझे नहीं समझ में आता। बट ये बैक नहीं जाता, ये प्रॉब्लम है। अगर मैं कोशिश भी करती हूँ ना तो मुझे बहुत ज्यादा पेन होता है, तो मैं फिर उसको छोड़ देती हूँ। बट मुझे यही खोलना है कि मैं दोनों हाथ पीछे करके वो नमस्कार मुद्रा जो होती है मैं पूरा
हाँ.
कर पाऊँ।
The namaskar, reverse namaskar is also difficult. Yeah?
या
Like
यस
for
मैम।
reverse namaskar, first we need to kind of be able to do one side. Yeah, because the reverse namaskar requires the scapula to come closer together, rotating the shoulders back. So this exercise, very
ओके।
important. Yeah? For the scapula to move. That's what I was saying in the middle of the class. No, the shoulder joint is a very complex joint. It needs a lot of love, a lot of care, and a lot of mobility. The more we move, the more obviously smooth that the movement goes. It's like putting oil in the car. If I put oil once a week, I don't know how often you put the oil. Huh? It's just an example. Have no idea about cars. But get the example. I put oil every day, everything will work smooth, smooth, smooth. The more we move the joints, the more we segregate this liquid in the joint. Yes, and it makes the movement smooth. If you try to not do mobility for a week, and then you go back, you will notice
नो
like you're rusty, no? So the same.
शोल्डर रोटेशन मेरा डेली का रहता है। नॉर्मल शोल्डर रोटेशन पूरा मैं करती हूँ, ऐसा नहीं है। बट मे बी पता नहीं कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स होगी बॉडी में। बट चले आपके साथ धीरे धीरे मे बी खुल जाए बॉडी।
Slowly, yes. And I was saying, no, sometimes this doesn't do the job. This is very little rotation. This does a better job. Can you see? The rotation of this is very different. And it's simple. I'm sitting. I can do it standing, sitting, anywhere. Right? There are more complex rotations, no? If you've been to my handstand class, we do all the time this one. Some people, I have trained some people, men from the gym precisely. No rotation here whatsoever, zero rotation. Yeah? So this is another way to bring shoulder rotation. The scapula is moving. Yes?
Oh.
Relatively easy. Yes, if we've been training mobility. Like there are many techniques, and what works for one person might not work for the other person. That's why I'm saying 5 years of training, okay, but how is this 5 years of training? Which techniques? And sometimes maybe I'm giving you 10 techniques, and are the 10 techniques wrong for you? No progress. It has happened to me with backbends. I love backbends, and I had sometimes not the right guidance, not the right techniques. They didn't work for my body. And are good techniques, but not for me, for someone else. Same. That's why I'm saying in class, if someone doesn't work, you come and tell me. But for that, we need to be present in class, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Super. Rajni, don't worry. Dire, slowly. Everything comes, guys, with patience, with breath and consistency. Everything comes. Sooner or later, we don't know. Yeah? See you tomorrow for more, guys. Take a rest, water, sleep, and good meal. Yeah? Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Bye.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.